than ever before, energy is being delivered through a more sophisticated and complex landscape. We've seen a rapid uptake in various forms of renewable energy, particularly solar, as Victorians look to reduce their reliance on fossil fuels and transition to low-carbon solutions. If you're curious about solar or other forms of renewable energy, begin by understanding your electricity usage patterns and start researching. Next, select an accredited installer who can guide you further. Your installer will work with the inverter manufacturer and Jemena to install your new system. Once testing is complete and the system has been set up on Jemena's network, you're almost there. The final step is contacting your chosen retailer. Your retailer will ensure your system can export any excess solar you generate back into the electricity grid. You're now good to go. While the increased take-up of solar is encouraging, it also poses some challenges in managing the supply and demand balance within our electricity network. At certain times, such as on a sunny day in spring and summer, we may have too much electricity being generated. This can lead to grid instability and the possibility of blackouts. To manage this imbalance, the Victorian Government is introducing some changes, called the Emergency Backstop Mechanism. Under the Emergency Backstop Mechanism, the Australian Energy Market Operator, or AEMO for short, can request electricity network distributors to remotely reduce or switch off solar being generated during an emergency situation. To support these requirements, customers upgrading, replacing or installing a new solar system from the 1st of October 2024 must 1. Only install an inverter on the Clean Energy Council's list of compliant CCIP Oz inverters. And 2. Ensure that your inverter remains connected to the internet at all times. These changes will ensure customers can continue to enjoy renewable energy solutions safely, securely and affordably into the future. If you'd like to learn more about solar or learn more about the emergency backstop, please visit jemena.com.au.